Welcome to Palm Tran's Let's Get on the Bus Challenge, Transit Champion Move and Mingle. Go with us to one of our champions' favorite locations in Palm Beach County.
My first experience with Palm Tran was probably as a teenager, trying to get around when I didn't have a car. I think it's important to know that there's a place where our kids can get around safely and easily now. A lot more teenagers aren't interested in driving necessarily or aren't in a position to get a car, and Palm Tran really allows that opportunity for them.
Thank you so much for riding Palm Tran. It's our pleasure to give to you from Palm Beach County Parks and Recreation. You get to have 4 passes to Calypso Bay or Coconut Cove.
Not everybody has a car. There's no way for someone to go to a job if they have to pay for an Uber every day, so you're paying to go to work. It makes no sense.
What we really need to do is make sure that we can all get around. If you don't want to use a car to get somewhere, we know that Palm Tran will get you there.
Let's get on the bus, Palm Beach Gardens! Woo!